Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Get Flooded.com reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. So, guys, if you wish to buy any product from the site, then please to watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this site, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please to watch the video till the end to find out how to get your money back. So, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. So first of all guys, we'll talk about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with inflatable vehicle products. They offer different kind of inflatable vehicle products. So you can check their products out by visiting to their official site. So next we'll check the other details. First we'll check their payment method. So as you can see, they haven't given it here separately. For that you have to click on any of these items. Just click on the image, scroll it down, and here they have given the options. So here they have given only one option, that is Shop Pay. So I can check this out. Now guys, if you want to know about the shipping policy, so we have checked, but this website hasn't given the shipping information anywhere. So guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And about the domain information, this website was registered on 11 of June 2020 and it is going to expire on 11 of June 2023, which means this website is 1 year old. Now let's check the about us details. For that you have to go to the Our Story. And here they've given the details. So here they mentioned about their founder identity, as you can see, and about their company. But they haven't given the business establishment here. So you can check this out. So next we are going to check the contact details. They have also given their contact details in the about in their story, or you can go to the separate page section for checking it. So here they have given their full contact details, as you can see. So they have given only the physical address and the contact number, but they haven't given the email address out here. But we have checked the physical address and it does not match at all. It seems like it is not their address. They have given someone else's address. So guys, if you want to know about the email address, for that you have to go to the terms of service page section, scroll it down till the end, and here they have given their email address. Also the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. So next guys, we'll talk about the social media presence of this site. So we have checked and we have found out that this website does have social media presence. It has got social media presence over Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and many more. Also we have checked the amount of followers. So on Instagram it has only 939 followers and on Facebook it has only 191 followers. So this is very less. Now if we want to know about the return and refund policy, go to the refund policy page section. So they mentioned that they will accept the returns within 10 days of receipt of your shipment. And about their funds, scroll it down and here they've given it. So they mentioned if approved, you will be automatically refunded on your original payment method. So you can check this out. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now talking about the Get.Flooded.com reviews, there are no customer review of this website anywhere and the trust score of this site is 60% and the business trust ranking is 50.4%. But the content quality seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Get.Flooded.com reviews, this website appears to be very suspicious. As you can see, though this website has got social media presence and the trust score is very good, but it does not have any reviews and the contact details is also not genuine. So it seems very suspicious. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.